Indifference is exemplified by the needless suffering of persecuted individuals or peoples when others fail to provide aid or advocacy when they know they should. Indifference is also a lack of reverence for others, either by disregarding the value of someone's life, liberty, or experience and putting one's individual goals or needs above all else. I chose to write a story to reflect the effects of indifference on people and society. I titled the story Endless Dark because, to me, that is what indifference creates. It is a seemingly endless pit of darkness around people and their family and friends. I used the fantasy genre, with a medieval setting, as a backdrop to evoke darkness, mystery, and despair, thus enhancing feelings of separation caused by the indifferent actions or inactions of others. My telling of this tale creates despair in the main character after realizing how cutthroat other people can be. It starts off lighthearted and ends in a very dark place through a series of events that illustrate a different aspect of how indifference can be manifested. There are events that show how personal feelings of greed or gain can lead someone to disregard others. There are also moments when others fail to act because of their own desire for self-preservation. People turn a blind eye to the suffering of others in order to survive. All of these aspects demonstrate what I believe to be the intrinsic harm that comes from the indifference, whether it be on an individual or societal level. To me, indifference and apathy are the death of a healthy society. If people in power do not care, then the only people that are protected or comfortable are those that are in power. People have no choice but to live in fear. They also have no voice. Everyone must have a place, a voice, a validity in the world, or else society and individual people devolve into careless, harmful entities that create a very unsafe and unhealthy society.